This is why you need to act now. Cyber threats are real, and the T-Mobile incident proves it. Let's talk solutions. In today's digital age, cybersecurity isn't just important, it's essential. Even giants like T-Mobile face attacks. Their secret layered defenses and expert partnerships, that's where Impress IT Solutions comes in. We offer proactive cybersecurity for Houston businesses. From layered security architectures to advanced threat monitoring, we've got you covered, and it doesn't stop there. Regular security audits, endpoint protection, and incident response planning ensure your defenses are always a step ahead. Don't wait for a breach to take action. Partner with Impress IT Solutions and rest easy knowing your business is protected by the best. Contact us today to learn more.